How to secure Telegram X with passcode lock. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can secure your account. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, we can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here select settings. So now we're in this settings interface. Basically, this is the place where you can find different options and customize it. Here, there's a section called privacy and security. Simply tap on it. So this is the place where you can enable your passcode. Here on the second option, tap on passcode lock, and here on the right top, simply enable it. Here you can select the password or the passcode that you want to integrate. So here I'm tapping on one. Now simply enter the pin that you like. At last, you can simply save it and it's all set to go. So there's an extra layer to your account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.